Come and make your PP big. Come and make your arm very bigger and powerful. Come and make your cucumber very long and straight. Come and do this recipe. Come and do this amazing drink. My arm no big. Modegu no strong. Modegu is not bigger. I want it bigger. I want it powerful. I want it to last longer. I want it straight. Oh yeah, this video is for you. Come and do this thing that I'm doing. If you want your odegu to be very big and powerful, if you want it to be straight and very powerful to your own choice, I can't even explain how this thing go make your odegu powerful and stronger and longer within 7 days. Within 7 days, guys, come and do your odegu big. Come and make am big and powerful. Come and make it to reach to that baby this thing, to reach for that baby the otubu. Come and make it to scatter the kpekus. When you carry the thing out, the baby go know say you get am. The baby go know say you be odegu. As in, you go know say wetin you carry under there. She go even want fear herself. Come and do your odegu. Come and make your odegu big. Come and learn this thing. Come and learn it. Do you see what I'm doing? Just get your bitter cola and cola. Take it, slice it, wash. After washing it, you slice it very well. Take off the back or the bitter cola back. Take it out, then wash and slice all of them together. Slice it. Slice it very well. Oh, guys, please help me and share this video. Invite your friends. Tell them this recipe because it's sure. This one is sure. Did you understand me now? I know they play. Don't take this video play. No use and play. I'm not joking. No use and play. Within 7 days, you will come and testify. You will come and tell me what you see under there. You go come and gist me how the baby take react when you carry your odegu out. Just do this thing that I'm doing. It's not hard. You can see this thing anywhere. It's all weather. It's everywhere. You can see cola nut and bitter cola. So this one now, you don't have to tell me that you did not see this, you did not see that. All these things, they are everywhere. Come and grow it to your own level of choice, to the way where you want your odegu to be. Come and grow it very big, very powerful, very straight and very long. Oh, make it long. Go make that babe cry for bed. Make am long so the thing go dey hit am for that spot. Go dey hit am. You go dey hear gim. As in, the baby go confess. Go say this man carry. So after cutting the whole thing, you put it inside an empty pot. Take it to your gas. Cook it for 5 minutes. Make it to boil very well. Cook it for 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes, take it out. Allow it to cool down. Then you sieve it inside your cup. After sieving this, you're going to pour it inside the Ragolis bottle and you save it there because you'll be taking it morning and night. Guys, no take this video play. No take and play. Invite your friends. They will thank you for this. So no use and play. Take this thing morning and night. Use half glass of cup, like small cup of this thing, and be taking this. Take morning and night. You will see how your odegu will be. You go see say your odegu go dey scatter. You go see say your odegu go dey very big. When asa see am, asa go just asa go feel am already before the thing enter inside. Come and grow it to be bigger, powerful, straight, longer. Last more than you want. Scatter the area with this. Please help me and share this video. Connect your friends. Thank you.